Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Madam Hazrati binti Zaini. My name is Nur Azizi bin Ismarizan, and in this video, my group will present to you about CSC658 Computer Graphic Group Project. So, so our project has two tasks using OpenGL and Blender. In task 1, our theme is Playground. We need to make a swing using shapes, lines, and text. And we added movement using translation, scaling, and rotation. In task 2, we made a 3D model of a rumah tradisional Melaka in Blender with details like the raised structure, roof design, and we added lighting to make it look better.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Hazami bin Mat Zaidi. I will be presenting my OpenGL project. The theme is a playground, and I made exactly one interactive swing set. To make the design looks good, I create a colorful world with many layers. It has a fence, trees, soft clouds, a sand pit, and a bright blue frame for the swing. The best part of this project is using keyboard button to change the swing. First, I can press the arrow keys to translate the swing, which move the whole swing around the screen. Next, I can press the Z and X key to rotate the swing. This makes the swing move back and forth naturally. Finally, I can press the plus and minus key to scale the swing. The code make the whole swing grow or shrink together. I can also press C to reset everything back to normal, or press P to turn on the auto swing. That's all for the task 1. Let's move on to task 2, Blender.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Wafi bin Lukman. So for our second task, we are required to create a rumah traditional Melaka model using a blender. So for this project, Blender allow us to build the traditional house using different 3D object and editing tools. We can also improve the appearance of the model by applying materials, shading, lighting, and rendering techniques to make it look more realistic. Now, I will hand over the presentation to my teammate who will explain the modeling process and demonstrate how the house was created in Blender.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izifan and I will explain how we made our house in Blender. So first we use an image in Google which I found to make it as reference, and then almost all of the materials of the house are made from cubes and then reshaped to make it into walls, into roofs and poles and etc. So we use bevel feature to make the doors and the roof to have some indent to it to make it pop out even more the features. And then for the roof, I use some loop cuts and knife cut to make it into shape. Yeah, and then for the materials all around the house, I use Blend Kit, which is a free add-on to import wood materials for the walls, for the floors and roof. And then for the grounds, I use PNG of real grass I found online, and then I sculpt it to make it uneven, to make it more realistic, and then I use particle system to simulate the grass all around the house, which can be seen in the photos somewhat a bit. And then for all the interiors and cars, bicycle are all just imported from online to make it more alive. Yeah. Lastly, for the lighting, I fill the house with some ceiling lights using light points, and then for outside, I use sunlight uh, to mimic the moonlight, and then all the natural light outside are just some of it comes from.
So that's all from our group, and thank you for watch our presentation.